Good morning, dear students. So, welcome to today's computer class, and today we shall continue with the same chapter with a new topic, that is method prototype. So, in previous class I have started a new chapter that is about method in Java or functions in Java, and I have explained some important topics in previous class. So today also we'll be dealing with some important topics like method prototype, okay, which is very much important, and from this portion some of the important questions will be coming during the board exams as well. So method prototype, let us learn about this topic in today's class. So first of all, what is a method prototype? A method prototype is the first line or header of a method. So in previous class we have learned about the format of writing a method, isn't it? So a method prototype means the first line or header of a method. So in previous class I have also explained about the two different parts of a method. The first part is a header and second is a body. So the header part is considered as a method prototype. So this is written just for the information, okay, for your understanding only, this portion. So method prototype tells the compiler about the number and type of parameters that method will take and the type of data the method will return. That means what is the use of method prototype there in the programming is, now with the help of method prototype we can easily know about what kind of return type will be displayed and what kind of parameters has been taken there in the method portion. These are the things that we can know with the help of the method prototype. Now in order to write this method prototype there in a programming also, we have to follow some format which is called as syntax. Alright, so in method prototype what are the things that we can find is return type, method name, and the parameters will be displayed inside the parameter list. So these are the three important things that we can find inside the method prototype. Now example is given for the method prototype. So these are the things that we can find there in the method prototype portion. The first example is void, this is return type, find sum is the method name, and parameter list is given where we don't see the parameters. But if you see the second example, int is the return type, add num is the second method name, and the parameters are given inside the parameter list, and the parameters given out here is x and y, okay, along with its data type. So this is how we have to write the format, this is how we have to define the method or the function prototype. Now along with this, it is important to know about the method signature also. What is method signature there in a method prototype? So the list of parameters along with their data types is called as the method signature. So if you see this second example for the method prototype, so x, y, these are the parameters which is displayed along with the data type. Data type used here for x and y is int. So the list of parameters here in this example, x and y are the parameters along with their data types. Along with their data types is called as the method signature. Remember this one. So for example, in the method prototype, int add num, name of a method, int x, int y. int x, int y is the method signature. The signature is the part of the method prototype. That means whatever parameter is defined along with this data type, that is considered as the method signature there in the method prototype portion. And method signature, remember my dear students, method signature also is a part of method prototype only. You have to remember this thing. Now what kind of question may come from this method prototype portion? I have written some of the questions which has come in the recent ICSE exams. Alright, so I'd like to explain with the help of these questions. Few questions I have written out here. Alright, so I have written at the top questions related to method prototype topic. Number one is, now these sort of questions will be coming. Give the prototype of a function check. Name of a function is check, which receives a character ch and an integer n and returns true or false. So name of a function is given as check, which receives the parameters that are character ch and an integer n, and returns true or false. True or false means true or false will be written with the help of a data type, that is boolean. So this is how we have to write the prototype for this particular question. Boolean is the return type, okay, and check is the name of a function, and it will be handling the parameters or the arguments like char ch and intn as given there in the question. So this is how you have to write the prototype method prototype statement, and this will be the answer. So this has come in ICSE 2010. Similarly, now second question, write the function prototype for the function sum. Name of a function or a method is sum that takes an integer variable x. So name of a variable also is mentioned out here, x, as its argument and returns a value of float data type. So return type is float. So it has come in 2008. So return type, so if we have to write the prototype answer for this question, so return type is float, name of a function according to the question is sum, and what it writes or what it takes as an argument is integer x, int x inside the parameter list. So this is how you have to write the prototype for the second question. Now third question, write the prototype of a function check. So name of a function is check, which takes an integer as an argument and returns a character. So return type is character, and the argument that takes inside the parameter list is integer. So it has come in the year 2018 ICSE exam. So this is how you have to write the method prototype. CHR is the return type according to the question. Check is the name of a function, and intx is taken as an argument there for the method prototype, okay, according to the question. So this is how you have to write the prototype for the third question. Now similarly, the fourth question, write a function prototype of a following. A function postchar, name of a function is postchar, which takes a string argument and character argument and returns an integer value. So return type is int, name of a function is postchar, and it takes two different types of arguments inside the parameter list, which are string, okay, variable is not mentioned, so we can define our own variable, that is I have defined a, and second argument that will be taken is character, okay, b. So this is how you have to write the prototype for the fourth question. It has come in the year 2016, okay. And last question is, give the prototype of a function search which receives a sentence SENTNC and a word WRD and returns 1 or 0. Year 2011. So for this one, the method prototype that we have to write is return type 1 or 0, means it will be dealing with number. int will be the return type. The name of a function is search according to the question, and it receives two arguments. One is sentence will be string, and another one is word will be string. So SENTNC is one variable and WRD is another parameter along with the data type. So this is how you have to use the method prototype for the fifth question. So my dear students, now one more thing you have to remember is, sometimes the variable will be displayed there in the question as it is given in question number 4. Like here only the string and the character is mentioned, so variable is not mentioned. So that time we can define our own variable like a and b. So with this I am ending today's topic. Kindly revise the thing and kindly check the question, what sort of question will be coming from this particular method prototype topic. So till next class, stay safe and revise the portion that is taught in today's class. Thank you and have a great day.